In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp recurring tasks effectively, ensuring that your workflow becomes seamless and efficient. Let's dive right in and explore this fantastic feature together. Firstly, you need to open ClickUp by navigating to their website. ClickUp is a comprehensive work management tool where you can organize tasks, projects, and workloads all in one place. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log in. You'll want to click on the login button, which you'll find in the top right corner of the page. For convenience and ease of access, ClickUp provides an option to sign in with Google. So if you have a Google account connected to ClickUp, click on Sign in with Google. This method eliminates the need to remember another password and speeds up the login process. After clicking, a prompt will appear asking you to select your Google account. Choose your account and you're in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your home page. Now locate and select the specific list where you'd like to create a recurring task. Lists are essentially your folders within ClickUp, each containing tasks related to a particular project or category. Selecting the right list helps keep your tasks organized. Next, within your selected list, identify the task that you want to set on a recurring schedule, click on it, and then look for a small calendar icon which signifies scheduling options for your task. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you want to select Set Recurring to begin the process of making this task repeat on your desired schedule. ClickUp allows flexibility in how often your task should recur. You can choose from preset options like weekly or daily, depending on the nature of the task and your need for repetition. For instance, if you have a task that needs everyday attention, select Daily. Similarly, for tasks that require weekly focus, choose weekly. Now, as you set the recurrence, it's crucial to decide on the duration for which this task should repeat. To ensure uninterrupted structuring, you might want to set it to recur forever. This option is beneficial for ongoing tasks with no definitive end date, so you don't have to reset them manually later on. Finally, after reviewing your selections and ensuring everything is set to your preference, click on Save. This final step confirms your settings, and from here on out, ClickUp will automatically create iterations of this task based on the parameters you've set. And that's it, you've successfully learned to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. With this feature, managing ongoing projects becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus energy on what truly requires your attention. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.